From 5 News, I'm meteorologist Stephen Elmore. This is your 5+ extended forecast. It has been nothing less than an amazing weekend. Cool start to the morning, though. Temperatures this morning only starting off into those upper 40s and low 50s. This comfortable stretch of weather, very fall-like temperatures, going to be lasting throughout most of this week. Highs into those upper 70s and low 80s. We are going to have some uncomfortable mornings, though. We're going to have lots of clear skies over the next couple of days due to a high pressure system sitting over us. So temperatures in the morning hours going to start off into those upper 40s and low 50s. Once we get closer towards late into the week, that's when we start to see maybe a few rain chances start to sneak back in. Overall, though, those chances are very low right now. Not expecting much in the way of any widespread rainfall, but a few showers can't be ruled out later on this week. Here's a look at temperatures as you head out the door for your Monday morning. Waking up, temperatures into those upper 40s and low 50s across northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. It's going to be a bit chilly outside as you head out the door. Definitely a shock factor if you've been sleeping in over the weekend. By the time you're getting out of the house, maybe temperatures are already back up into the 60s. Oh, it's not too bad outside. Tomorrow morning, when you got to get back on that schedule, back out the door to work or get those kiddos to school, it's going to be a little bit of an eye-opener. Temperatures going to be starting off into those mid to upper 40s across northwest Arkansas. We'll probably see those low 50s across the River Valley, so you might need that light jacket as you head out the door for tomorrow morning. Here's a look at that bus stop forecast. It's going to be clear. It's going to be cool tomorrow morning, but we are going to start off into those 40s, some low 50s across the River Valley. Then we're going to see lots of sunshine throughout the day. Around the midday for lunch, it's going to be nice outside. Temperatures going to be only into those 60s and 70s. We'll finish the day topping out into those upper 70s and low 80s for our daytime highs. Here's a look at those daytime highs for tomorrow. A little bit warmer than what we had this weekend, right? Temperatures this weekend will really only reach up into those mid to upper 70s. Tomorrow we'll get a degree or two warmer, back up into those upper 70s and low 80s across northwest Arkansas. The reason it's been so comfortable this weekend is we've been seeing a lot of these wind gusts filter in from the northeast. Now we're starting to see more of that eastern, almost southeastern wind trying to warm up temperatures just a bit. Going to see those highs for tomorrow afternoon back up into those low 80s across northwest Arkansas. 80 in Eureka Springs, 81 in Tawnytown, 81 in Springdale, 80 in Fayetteville, 81 in Centerton, 81 in Bentonville, 81 in Bella Vista, 82 out in Siloam Springs, 82 in Prairie Grove, 80 in West Fork, 77 there in Winslow, 79 expected in St. Paul. Across the River Valley, still low 80s, could see some mid 80s for tomorrow. Overall, still very comfortable to start off our week, right? Temperatures going to be only into those low to mid 80s, though. 82 in Van Buren, 82 in Fort Smith, 82 in Alma, 84 in Greenwood, 84 in Charleston, 83 out to the Ozark Hillbillies, 82 in Mulberry, 82 in Salisaw, 83 down to the Podo Pirates for tomorrow afternoon. And we're not dealing with any humidity either. It's very comfortable, right? It starts to feel like fall. We have those crisp mornings waking up, and once you get to the afternoon, seeing some sunshine, but definitely pretty comfortable outside. Dew point values or the humidity outside, what it feels like outside, pretty comfortable. Usually when we have dew point values upper 60s, low 70s, that's that summer tropical mugginess that we can never escape, right? Well, tomorrow only into those mid to low 40s. Very comfortable start to our week. Again, winds no longer coming out of the northeast, now starting to shift from the east-southeast. That's why temperatures getting a little warmer for tomorrow. It's not going to be very strong winds. I think our strongest winds come sometime during the mid-morning. We see those wind gusts peaking up around 5 to 10 miles per hour. I think 10 to 15 is the highest wind gusts we see tomorrow throughout the day. So it's really not going to play a huge factor with our temperatures, but it might get a degree warmer or two. Afternoon highs over the next couple of days, man. Look at this. Temperatures really only into those low 80s over the next couple of days. Our warmest day this work week is going to be Wednesday. Get a little bit stronger winds starting to come up from the south. And then a disturbance comes in by the time we get to Thursday. That'll cool off temperatures going into the end of the work week just a bit, only by a degree or two. Could see some rain chances as well for Wednesday night into Thursday. And then taking a look at the weekend, now we're starting to talk about maybe a little bit of summer heat coming back. Temperatures right now this weekend expected to be into those mid to upper 80s. A little bit of humidity sneaks in there. We could see some heat index values in the low 90s. So it's really been nice these past couple of days. A little hint of summer back in the forecast can't hurt anybody. Across the river valley, temperature is going to be into those low to mid 80s over the next couple of days, at least for the first half of the week. Then once we get to Wednesday, that's going to be our warmest day this work week. Temperatures upper 80s, may see a low 90 out there. And then we get that disturbance coming in on Thursday, early overnight going into Thursday. That's going to bring some rain chances. Also going to bring some cooler air as well. Temperatures only topping out into those low to mid 80s to end the work week. So we've kind of got this roller coaster effect. We're going to get warmer through Wednesday. Rain chances come in, start to cool down heading into our Friday. And then we get to the weekend, right? And temperatures back up to those mid to upper 80s. Could get a little bit uncomfortable by the time we get to the end of the weekend, though, for this time of year standards, right? It's still getting closer towards fall. We are now just, let's see here, today's September 8th, September 23rd, a few weeks away still to the first official day of fall. So this is the time of the year where the seasons are changing. You need to dress in layers. Jacket in the morning, t-shirt in the afternoon type situation. And when I say jacket in the morning, I mean jacket in the morning over the next couple of days. Again, don't be caught off guard as you head out the door for your Monday morning. Temperature is going to be brisk outside, brisk for September standards, right? It's starting to see those changes in the forecast, right? We have those cooler mornings and still those warm afternoons. Temperatures starting off into those mid to upper 40s over the next couple of mornings. By the time we get to Wednesday through the end of the work week, that's when temperatures should be back to average for this time of year, around those mid to upper 50s, some low 60s this weekend. If you have any early morning plans, I know we're getting a lot of those fall festivals going up, especially starting next weekend. That's when we'll have those morning temperatures should be starting off into those upper 50s and low 60s, very comfortable outside. I wouldn't consider upper 40s and low 50s comfortable right now, especially as you're heading out the door. Because it's that weird transition, right? You're dressing for what most of the day is going to be like. Unfortunately, though, as you head out the door in the morning hours, that's when it's going to be a little bit uncomfortable, right? Those low 50s expected across the river valley for Monday, Tuesday. We'll see temperatures really start to boost back up by the time we get to Wednesday and later on into this week, starting off in the morning hours into those low 60s. So here's a look at our temperature trend. That cold front came through on Friday, and now we've been dealing with the after effects. Some cooler air starting to linger around. Warmer air is going to filter in later on this week, though, mainly staying up towards the north. But we are going to be seeing some warmer days, especially during the midweek. And then that disturbance comes along out of the Gulf. We're going to be seeing some rain chances later on this week. Should be very low rain chances before that heat sneaks back in there heading into this weekend. Again, here's those rain chances. They're very low right now. Our highest chance right now is going to be Thursday at only about a 20% chance for a stray shower or two. But Wednesday and Thursday, we could see a few stray showers here and there. Really, the rest of this week, not much to worry about. Temperature is going to be comfortable outside. Going to see lots of sunshine through Tuesday because of the high pressure that we have right now. Midweek, that's when we get some cloud coverage to work in. That's when we could see a spotty shower or two. And then we dry out going into the weekend. End of the weekend. On Sunday, it looks like we could also see maybe a stray shower or two. Here's the Climate Prediction Center temperature map over the next 6 to 10 days. Last week, we saw a lot of blue because of the cold front coming in that filtered in below average temperatures. Now we're starting to see temperatures get back up into that above average zone. Temperatures going to be warming up. Not only later on this work week, but heading into this upcoming weekend as well. Again, like we talked about, it starts to feel like summer once again by the time we get to Saturday and Sunday, heading into next weekend with highs in those upper 80s and low 90s. Not a lot of rain chances expected outside of Wednesday and Thursday right now. Pretty normal for this time of year from the Climate Prediction Center. Rain chances expected further out towards the west. All right, Northwest Arkansas over the next 7 days. It's pretty nice forecast, right? Temperatures into those low 80s. Really, what I would say to watch out for is the brisk mornings. It's a little chilly outside for our Monday morning. Temperatures only into those mid 40s. Believe it or not, some places for friends up towards the north have some 30s way up north, right? We're just seeing a little bit of a brisk morning for tomorrow and Tuesday as well, with those temperatures into those mid to upper 40s. Highs will be in those 80s. We warm up. By the time we get to the midweek, some rain chances come in for Thursday. That's going to help cool things down briefly. And then heading into next weekend, right now signs showing, well, temperatures still going to be comfortable for this time of year, only those mid to upper 80s. It's going to be definitely warmer than what we've had, especially this weekend. About a 10 to 15 degree difference heading into next weekend. We were in those mid to upper 70s for Saturday and for today. Now, next weekend, we'll see those mid to upper 80s. Across the river valley, temperatures back up into those low to mid 80s throughout most of this week. Few days in there have those high 80s as well. Again, Thursday is going to be our best chance for some of those scattered showers, but really expecting lots of sunshine this week. Only a few extra clouds to roll in during the midweek. Again, next weekend, if you have plans outside right now, it looks like it's going to be a good one. Outside of a stray shower on Sunday, could see a pop-up shower here and there. Overall, though, comfortable. We're going to be seeing those highs back up into those mid to upper 80s. Some low 90s will be possible as well next weekend. So it's not totally feeling like fall and pumpkin spice and all the fun things that come with it, even though we're getting into that season still a little bit, I'll call it warm-ish this week with those mid to upper 80s across the river valley, but definitely a lot better than the sweltering summer heat that we are saying goodbye to as we get closer and closer to the first day of fall, which, by the way, is coming September 23rd. From 5 News, I'm meteorologist Stephen Elmore. That's your 5+ extended forecast.